Welcome. I'm David Crow, and this is part 2 of Principles of Combining Herbs and Essential Oils. And in this part, we're going to be talking about formulas for relaxing the nervous system. For treatment specifically of stress, anxiety, insomnia, tension headaches, and chronic adrenal overstimulation. So for stress, tension, and anxiety, the combination of herbs and essential oils is also excellent. And again, essential oils in aromatherapy form. So aromatherapy is going to work on two primary systems based on the route of administration. It's going to work on the respiratory system through inhalation, but it's also going to work on the central nervous system through inhalation also. When we breathe fragrance in, first it's going to come to the sinuses, then it's going to move into the lungs, but when it's in the sinuses, it's also going to activate the olfactory limbic connection as well. Because we cannot use essential oils in undiluted form orally, we can easily say that herbal medicine is the primary form of treatment for the digestive system, and essential oils are not. They're a very secondary method of treatment, but that doesn't mean that they don't have some value. What it means is that we have to administer them in a different way and just realize that they're not going to work as powerfully. So I'll give you another example here. But here's the problem with combining essential oils and aromatherapy for relaxation, is it's based on the pleasurable response. And that comes through the limbic system, and that's highly subjective. So you may have heard that lavender oil is relaxing, but you may find that lavender oil isn't relaxing for you. You might not even like lavender oil. Cinnamon may help people relax. The fragrance of cinnamon, the fragrance of nutmeg definitely will. The fragrance of ginger for some people. So again, this is what's difficult about saying, let's use a relaxing essential oil to calm stress and tension. And then you say, well, which are relaxing? And then you find that in aromatherapy, there are these blends for relaxation, and they're just all over the place. They have everything in them. They have vetiver, which is relaxing. But they also have black pepper, which can be stimulating, but it's also relaxing. And then you have lavender, which is relaxing, or maybe not. You see, so there's all of these things that are highly subjective. So I'm going to skip this over here and just give this to you to read, maybe make a few comments. This is tension headaches, and this is a little bit more specific as a treatment, and there are herbs that are specifically targeting tension headaches, but it's overall very interchangeable with the other sections as well. So passion flower, chamomile, peppermint, feverfew, tea, and then if that's with heat, liver fire rising, you can drink that at room temperature or cold, and it will have more of a cooling effect. Then willow bark tincture, we know that as an analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic. Feverfew, again, you can add that to the tea. Now, here's what's important about this. I mean, all of that was important, but here's the combination of the essential oils with that, and we learn an important principle.